How long is the wine good for once you pop the cork? That wine won't stay perfect forever. All wines begin to change when they are open. Even on the first day, the taste isn't the same. Why does it matter? Because when we want to enjoy a glass of red wine alone, or have 2 glasses of different wines with our friends, we give up too often.
With Albicchiere, the smart wine dispenser, you don't have to give in anymore. And that glass, served at the right temperature, will be perfect. You will enjoy it like you've never have before.
Each wine selection is actually designed to be enjoyed at a precise temperature. It is the only way to unleash all the unique aromas and flavors that every wine can offer, as if it comes directly in the winery. In our house, all the wines are the same. The red ones at the room temperature, the white wines at the refrigerator temperature. But Albi independently recognizes your wine and serves it at the ideal temperature. But if you prefer a different temperature, you can adjust it with your app. You can schedule your wine to be ready for when you return back from the office, for example, and keep your personal winery under control.
Alexa, what are you suggesting for tonight?
There's the San Giovanni that's about to expire.
Albi knows when your stock is running low, and it will ensure you will never run out of it.
You can change wine in 5 seconds, during the same dinner, even for a single glass. Because then you can forget it for the next 6 months. And without service costs, you no longer have to buy gas refills and spare needles. You only pay what you drink, and you can preserve all your wines and not just the special ones.
The problem of open wine is the container, which being rigid, it allows the wine to always be in contact with oxygen and starts the oxidation process. The only solution is to use a flexible container that always has the shape of the remaining wine. And you will be able to open any bottle and preserve it easily with the smart wine bags.
We had our community try the first prototypes and the feedback was fantastic. We wanted to create a professional device available to everyone. Support us now and start enjoying every glass of wine like you've never done before. Cheers!